Hello everyone. In today's video I'll show you how to download MTZ theme files like these. You can search for and download any MTZ theme file, whether it's from the China version or the global version. After downloading the MTZ theme file, you can apply it and try it out on your device. For example, I have this Xiaomi 14T running the global ROM. First, open the Play Store, search for the app shown on the screen, and install it. Inside the app, you'll find a wide range of themes for Xiaomi devices, including both global and China versions. This section features popular China-exclusive themes. Tap See All to view all the themes in this category. As an example, I'm going to select one theme from this list and download it. This is the preview section of the theme. Swipe through the screenshots to see if it supports the HyperOS 3 control center. Tap on Download and wait for the theme to finish downloading. After the download finishes, simply tap Apply to use the theme on your Xiaomi phone. Here is the directory where the downloaded MTZ themes are stored on your phone. Now, let's go to the directory where the downloaded MTZ file is stored. Documents folder. MIUI Themes folder. Here are the MTZ files that were downloaded from the app we just used. Tap on the MTZ theme file and apply it to your Xiaomi device. Once applied, the home screen wallpaper typically remains the same. The theme mainly changes the icon pack and the control center. The lock screen will be updated as well, following the theme you've just applied. This is just a temporary preview of the theme. If you want to apply it permanently, you'll need to use an additional app called HyperTheme. By combining it with HyperTheme, you can apply these themes permanently on your Xiaomi device. Now, let's test it with a different theme. As you can see, this theme is listed in the global market section. I'll open the global theme store on my device and search for this theme. As you can see, I couldn't find this theme even after typing the correct name. Let's try deleting a few characters and search again. The result is still the same. The theme doesn't appear at all. Now, let's return to the app and proceed to apply this theme on my Xiaomi phone. Navigate to the folder containing the downloaded MTZ theme files and select the Realm UI theme to apply. And the theme has been successfully applied. This theme also changes the wallpaper icons and the control center, with support for HyperOS 3. With this app, you can freely choose themes from the China region and apply them to your Xiaomi global ROM device. There's just one small note: if you want to keep the theme permanently, you must use it together with HyperTheme app. If you don't know how to use HyperTheme yet, feel free to refer to the video I posted earlier on the channel. Thanks for watching video.